good morning. It's October 1st. It's 8:30 in the morning. Heading out for a bird hunt. So today I got my son with me. Hey Travis.
Hello.
And he's up from Peterborough. He's going to university. And so we're going to do a bird hunt together today, and hopefully we'll see some and hit the record button and get something to show you. And I'm so proud that we look like a couple pumpkin heads today. But hey, it is what it is. Well, we seen that one, and he came, he booted, or he's gone to no man's land, eh, bud?
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully we'll see another one. All right, there's a bird. Hopefully Travis will get it. Well, that's bird number 2 gone. What's going on, bud?
I don't know.
There you go. We'll get some.
Oh yeah.
That's good, bud. Well, that's miss number 1. Bird. Let's hope this one goes a little bit better. Well, another no-go on that one. I think we'll eventually get one. Well, hopefully this will be another bird. Kind of a far shot, but you never know. Just above him. Aim for his breast down a little bit.
I'm gonna get closer. Just give me.
Good shot. There, now you're getting her. Spruce hen?
What was that?
Is that a spruce hen?
Yeah.
Okay. They're just as good. Good job, bud. I'd shoot from there. Did the old hop. Bud, that third one.
Yeah.
I thought you hit it, but I guess maybe not. We couldn't find it. So what have we seen for birds so far?
I believe 8.
That was 8, and we've got 2.
Yep.
So we got to brushing up on our shooting skills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Been a bit.
I'm glad you're here. Love you lots.
Love you too.
Got 5 on the road. Once he shoots once, I'm going to go help him look for them. We got one. Okay, so Travis and I We had a good day today. We've seen 13. We got 3, but we need to brush up on our shooting skills.
Yeah.
But I had a very wonderful day with my son. We haven't been able to hunt together in a couple years. I'm glad he drove up from Peterborough to spend a day with me, and he'll be heading back tomorrow morning. But good job. So we got the 3, and yeah, awesome. So there they go. I'm gonna clean them up and call it a day. Anybody watching, thanks for watching.